Hello everyone, this is Anuj from gadgetgig. Today we have with us two new smartwatches from Gionee, and they are the StylFit GSW6 and the GSW8. And guys, both these smartwatches come with the Bluetooth calling feature. So let's begin with the unboxing and show you how they perform. Let's start with the StylFit GSW6. This smartwatch is available to purchase from Amazon for ₹2,999. Now in terms of the unboxing experience, in the front of the box we have the G-Buddy by Gionee branding, and here we have the model name StylFit GSW6 along with the picture of the smartwatch. And here at the bottom we have some features such as BT calling and music, built-in mic and speaker for calling, and 40+ watch faces. At this side of the box we have some more features such as 24 hours heart rate monitoring, SpO2 monitoring, and this smartwatch is IP68 waterproof. At the back we have the specifications of this watch, and here we can see the battery capacity, which is 220 mAh. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the smartwatch itself, and guys, I find the build quality of this smartwatch very good. We will look at the smartwatch in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the user manual, and here we have detailed info on pairing and features. Then we have this warranty card, and after that we have the charging cable. We get the magnetic charging cable which connects at the back of the smartwatch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartwatch closely. Gionee StylFit GSW6 offers a good design and build quality. And in this smartwatch we have the metal body which feels very premium. In the front we have the large 1.7-inch TFT display which comes with the 2.5D curved glass. On the right side we have the button to control the watch along with the mic, and here on the left side we have the speaker. At the back of the watch we have the charging pin and the SpO2 and heart rate sensor. In terms of the strap, the TPU strap on this smartwatch feels good and I find it comfortable on the hand. Overall in terms of design and build quality, I find this smartwatch very good, keeping in mind the pricing. Now before we pair and show you the features, let's unbox the other smartwatch. So in the front of the box we have the model name StylFit GSW8, and here we have the picture of the smartwatch, and it comes with a round dial. Then below it we have some features such as BT calling, built-in mic and speaker, and this smartwatch comes with an internal storage. On this side of the box we have the features such as 24 hours heart rate monitoring, and this smartwatch is also IP68 waterproof. And here we can see the different sports modes available in this smartwatch. At the back of the box we have the specifications, and here we can see we get the 300 mAh battery in this smartwatch. And guys, about the pricing, this smartwatch is available for ₹3,499. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So here on the top we have the smartwatch itself. We will look at it in a moment. Let's see what else we have in the box. So we get the same things such as a user guide and the warranty information. And here we have the magnetic charging cable which connects at the back of the smartwatch like this. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the watch closely and we will give you a quick overview. So here we have the StylFit GSW8 smartwatch. So in this smartwatch we get the 1.28-inch TFT display which comes with the curved screen. On the side of the watch we have two buttons to control the smartwatch, and here we have the mic, and on this side we have the speaker. At the back of the smartwatch we have the heart rate sensor, and here on the top we have the charging pins. And guys, in this smartwatch you can use a charging cable to transfer the songs in the watch, which I will show you in a moment. And now about the straps, we get the silicone straps in this smartwatch which feels pretty comfortable, and you also have the option to go for a leather strap version. So overall in terms of design and build quality, I really like this metal body of the GSW8, and design wise I find this watch also very good. Now guys, let's look at the features of both these smartwatches. We will look at the StylFit GSW6 first. Pairing process is simple. Just download the app G-Buddy StylFit, and in this, select the Add bracelet from the top, and then select the Gionee GSW6 from the list. And that's it, your watch is now ready to use. Now looking at the features, here we have the watch face, and upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. Swiping down from the top shows you the settings, and here we have D&D, theater mode, flashlight, and the menu style option. And next to it, we have the brightness and settings. Swiping up on the watch face shows you the notification history. You can access the quick cards by swiping left from the right side. And here we have step count, sleep, heart rate, Bluetooth calling function, SpO2 and weather. To access the main menu, you can swipe right from the left side. And here we have the honeycomb style menu. And guys, you can also change it to the list view from the settings. So in the menu, first we have the step count, then we have the sleep data, and then we have the heart rate menu. And in this watch, you get 24 hours heart rate monitoring, and I find the reading fast and accurate. Then in the menu we have the SpO2 monitoring, which is a must-have feature these days. After that we have the sports modes, and here we have walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball, football and yoga. After that we have the phone option, and once you turn it on, you need to go to the Bluetooth function in your phone and look for the audio GSW6 in your Bluetooth list. And that's it. Now you can use your smartwatch for calling. In the phone menu, we have the call records, dialer by which you can dial a number from the watch itself. And after that we have the contacts which you can add from the app. And guys, I find the mic clarity and speaker on this watch very good, and you can use this watch for calling without any issue. Then in the menu we have the weather, and here we can see the current weather along with the weather forecast. After that we have the messages, which is the notification history. Then we have the camera shutter by which you can control the camera on your phone. Then we have the player, and here you can control the music on your phone. And also you can listen to the music from the watch itself. After that we have the relax menu, and here you can do some breathing exercise. And then we have the usual options such as stopwatch, alarm and countdown with some preset timers. And then lastly we have the flashlight. You can access the settings from the main screen by swiping down. In the settings you have the brightness, Bluetooth calling feature, vibration, DND and the usual reset and power off option. So that's all the features we have in this watch. And guys, before we move on to the other smartwatch, let me quickly show you the app. So the app Gionee StylFit is a simple app, and here we have the fitness data on the home page. On the settings page you have the connected device here on the top along with the battery. Then we have the watch face store, and here you have 40 plus watch faces, and I find some of these watch faces very good. After that you have the notifications, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And guys, as you know already, you can pick up the call from the watch itself. And here is the message notification. Now coming back to the settings, then we have the favorite contacts by which you can select the favorite contact to show on your watch. Then you have other settings, and here you can enable features like continuous heart rate monitoring, race to wake feature and so on. And guys, talking about race to wake feature, this feature works very good on this smartwatch. So that's all the features we have on this watch and app, and we think it's a wonderful watch in this price segment. Now let me show you the other smartwatch, StylFit GSW8. So for pairing, you need to first add the audio GSW8 device in your Bluetooth list. And once paired, it will ask you to download the app Gionee StylFit. And for pairing, follow the instructions on the screen. So here we have our watch paired with our phone. Now about the features, here we have the watch face. And again, upon long pressing, you can switch between different watch faces. Swiping down from the top shows you the quick settings, and here we have DND, alarm and the BT calling function. Swiping up from the bottom shows you the music menu, and guys, here in this you can control the music on your phone or play the music stored in your watch. And about the music storage, you just need to plug the charging cable and connect it to a PC or a Mac, and then just copy paste the music files, and that's it. Now you can listen to the music directly from your watch. And you can also pair a true wireless earphones or a neckband to this watch. Now coming back to the features, swiping left or right shows you the quick cards, and here we have the heart rate, sleep and today's step count. To access the main menu, you need to press the bottom button once. And here we have the sports modes, which includes outdoor and indoor running, walking, hiking, cycling, stair steppers and few others. Then in the menu we have the step counts, and after that we have the sleep data, and then we have the heart rate. And guys, in this watch as well, I find the heart rate detection very fast. After that we have the call function, and like the GSW6, you can make and receive calls on this watch itself. And guys, the mic and speaker performance on this watch is also very good. After that you have the call log, notifications, alarm which you can set from the app. Then we have the stopwatch, countdown and music control. And after that we have the find phone option, which plays a loud tone on your phone. And then we have the female health tracking, camera shutter, which allows you to take a picture when you shake your watch. After that we have the settings, and here we have the brightness, screen on time, switch menu, and here you can turn on 24 hours heart rate monitoring and raise to wake feature. And guys, in this smartwatch as well, the raise to wake features work pretty good, and the response time is very fast. One more thing which I like here, that you have the message settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notification right on your watch. So that's all the features we have on this smartwatch. Now let me show you the app. This app is slightly different than the one we have used for the GSW6. So first of all, the user interface is neat and clean, and here we have the step count on the top along with the health data. And then here we have the settings. In the settings we have the connected device on the top along with the remaining battery. Then in the settings we have the notification settings, and here you can select the apps for which you want the notifications on your watch. And talking about it, here is how you get the call alert. And as you know already, you can pick up the call from the watch itself. And here is how you get the message notification. Now coming back to the menu, then we have the alarm which you can set from the app. After that we have the switch to turn on the continuous heart rate monitoring and raise to wake feature. Then you have the basic options such as shutter, screen on time, and reset this smartwatch. So that's all the features we have on this app, and to be honest, both these apps looks good and user friendly, and they offer all the details which you need from a smartwatch. So guys, the StylFit GSW6 and the StylFit GSW8, both these smartwatches offers premium features at a budget price. You're getting the Bluetooth calling feature, which in my opinion is very good, keeping in mind the pricing of both these smartwatches. I find both the watches lag free, and while going through different menus, I didn't see any lag and stutter. So it's up to you. If you like square dial and looking for a bigger screen, then you can definitely go for the GSW6. But if you like me who prefer round dial and also looking to store some songs to listen on the go, then GSW8 is your smartwatch. And as usual, if you like these smartwatches and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the StylFit GSW6 and GSW8 smartwatch. Let us know if you like them, and also do tell us if you have any queries or questions about these smartwatches in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel GadgetGig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.